Greetings for the day. Now we are going to discuss the session of Python programming. Okay, what is there in this Python is we are going to see UI design. So what is the expansion of user interface? Python we used to compute all those tasks in IDLE prompt. The thing is we want to interact with the students or interact with the system in a very efficient manner. We can use this GUI, graphical user interface. This is used to interaction with the system in an efficient way for the user convenient for any language. The GUI environment is created, graphical user interface. For our Python, we are going to use tkinter module for this user interface. For creating this GUI environment, graphical user interface, we are going to use the module of tkinter. It is a package or it is a library file. We can able to import this tkinter for creating the graphical user interface. It's a toolkit with the Python and also it is a very easiest and faster one. It is available in Windows platform, Unix platform and Mac OS platform. For all these platforms we can use this tkinter. By importing this module we can create the GUI user interface using Python. Then widget. We all know about the widget. For all the controls which is displayed here, we can say that this is a widget. So what is this widget? Widget is nothing but for the control of creating the controls. What are all the controls available for any language for the GUI environment? We can make use of this GUI user interface. The controls are like labels, which is used to display the description, and then a text box, then combo box which is in the drop down box, combo box, and list box, check box, option button. Okay, all those things, all those controls we can create using this widget, which is nothing but widget. What is widget is the prompt which is shown to the user. That is, in suppose we are using a mobile or in a desktop application or anything, we are knowingly or unknowingly click the delete button, means it is tell the user that are you sure to delete this, like that it will ask the question, no? So the same thing, so it is alerting the user that saying are you going to delete this. It's once again confirming that by knowingly we are clicking this delete button. Then if you click OK, are you sure want to delete this, it will ask the question to us. System will ask the questions with the prompt. Then if we can able to click OK, what it should do, it will delete it. Or else unknowingly if you click that delete button, means it is again shows that are you sure want to delete it. Then the user can able to understand that, oh, unknowingly we have clicked this, we don't want to delete this. It is alerting the system, at least it is interacting with the user. The system which is interacting with the user, it is asking some of the questions, means that is in the form of widget we can able to display to the user. We are once again confirming with the user that the system is asking the question, we are replying it, or you want to delete it, yes of course I want to delete it, like that it's confirming with the user. That is the creation of widget here. Okay, so by using the widget, by using all the controls, we can show to the user, we can interact with the user. This is the main purpose of this GUI application. Okay, then how we can do that is in tkinter. First we need to import this module. See, import tkinter tk, that is import we will use usually for matplotlib and all, import matplotlib as miplt, like that, or import numpy as np, like that we are giving alias name, no? For that like that we can use tkinter also. So you can import tkinter, this is the module, tkinter name is the module of tkinter. Import, we are going to import this module. For that we need to use the syntax called import tkinter as tk. For shortening this module name we are using alias name as tk. So hereafter further our application we use tk for instead of tkinter we are using this tk. This is the code. So while using this code we can importing this module to our code, tkinter code. Then we need to create the widget window, right? So for that, window equal to that imported module tk, no? So tk dot tk of method, we have to call this method in order to create the window. Okay, so tk of capital T small k o f, that is open close braces. Tk of is a method which is used to create this window. Okay, for that we need to call this method. So what is the code here? Import tkinter as tk, window equal to tk dot tk of method. If we are calling this method, it will create a window. Here the example is given. See here, for the Windows module, that is Windows OS and Mac OS and Ubuntu OS. For these three modules, we can use the Python GUI environment. How it is going to be create this window? It is displayed here. See, usually in our Windows, we used to have a close buttons at the last. Okay, before that we will having a maximize button, and before that we are having with the minimize button, right? So it has created plain window has been created with all these buttons. That is into mark, that is close, then maximize button, then minimize one. Then the second one, it is with the Mac OS. So the green button, red, yellow, green, all those colors should be displayed here with the name of TK. Okay, then the next one, it is with the Ubuntu. Ubuntu is also displayed with the window, how it is going to be. So likewise for all these three all these three OS, the window has been created by using this code. Okay, next we are going to see how to add these windows in our project, in our code. Okay, in Python, how we are going to add this, we are going to see this now. See here, this adding a widget. For that we need to call dot label of function. Okay, tk is a module of tkinter, the short form of module of a tkinter. So tk dot label, we are going to create a label of text message what you want to display. That is it. I have already told you the example of are you sure want to delete it? Like that we have asked a question to the user, no, the message which we want to display it, that should be here with the text. Okay, in the text field we need to display the messages of what you want to show it off. See, greeting equal to, it's a variable name greeting. Okay, greeting equal to tk, that is module which we have imported the alias name short form, tkinter module short form as tk, tk dot label, it is a function which we are going to call it for showing the message. Okay, tk dot label of text equal to hello with the double quotes, hello comma tkinter. That's just we are going to display this hello tkinter or hello how are you or hello second csv, like that. So whatever the message you want to